Most people think Claude Code is a tool built for programmers, something you only use by typing commands into a scary black window. But there's a version of it sitting inside the regular Claude desktop app, and you never have to touch a command line. By the end of this video, you'll set up your own branded workspace, installed one plugin that makes everything look professional instead of generic, built a real landing page, and turned your existing social posts into scroll-stopping carousels. And the best part? Everything will sound and look like your business, not like obvious AI. Once it's set up, you keep coming back to this same workspace for all the real work you do. So let's build it together, step by step. First, let's clear up when you'd even use this instead of the normal Claude chat you might already know. The regular Claude chat is great for quick questions, brainstorming, or writing something you copy and paste somewhere else. Claude Code is what you want when you'd rather Claude produce finished work for you and keep all of it together in one place you return to again and again. Instead of starting a fresh chat every time and re-explaining who you are, you build one ongoing workspace that remembers your brand and grows with your business. That's the real difference, and it's why this is so much more powerful for actual work. Let's get you set up, and I'll keep this part short. Go to claude.com/download and grab the app for Mac or Windows. Install it like any normal program, open it up, and sign in with your Anthropic account. One thing to know up front, this isn't on the free plan, so you'll need at least Claude Pro, which is $20 a month. If you already pay for Claude to help with your writing, then you've already got everything you need. Once you're in, look at the top of the app and you'll see a few tabs. Click the one that says Code. It'll ask where you want to work and you'll pick Local, then click Select Folder. And here's where the real strategy starts, so pay close attention to this next part, because this is what separates professional results from generic ones. Make one new folder on your desktop for your business and give it a clear name, something like My Brand. This folder is your home base. Every landing page, every social post, everything you create from now on lives in here. Think of it like a digital office for your marketing. Down the line, you can ask Claude to keep your landing pages in one place and your social posts in another, and it'll organize the whole folder for you so nothing ever gets lost. Starting with one clean, dedicated folder is the single best habit you can build because it keeps all your work, your brand, and your history in one connected place instead of scattered across random chats. Point Claude at this folder, and we're ready to set up the good stuff. Before we create anything, we're going to install one plugin, and this is the secret to making your designs look professional on screen. By default, AI tends to produce a very recognizable look. The same boring fonts, the same purple gradients, the same layout everyone has seen 1,000 times. There's a free official plugin from Anthropic called Frontend Design that fixes exactly this. It teaches Claude to pick distinctive fonts, intentional colors, and proper layouts, so what it builds actually looks like a designer made it instead of a robot. To install it, click the plus button next to where you type your message, choose Plugins, and you'll see a library you can search through. Search for Frontend Design and click Install. That's it. From now on, anything visual that Claude builds for you in this workspace comes out looking polished. This one step is the difference between a page you'd be embarrassed to share and one you'd happily put your name on, so don't skip it. Now the part that makes everything sound like you. We're going to give Claude a brand guide, a single file it reads every time you work together. Point Claude at your folder and type something like this. I want you to create a brand guide file for my business that you'll read every time we work together. Interview me one question at a time. Ask me about what my business does, who my ideal customer is, the exact problems I solve for them, my tone of voice, words and phrases I love using, words I never want to use, my brand colors, and 3 competitors I want to stand apart from. When we're done, save all of it into a file called brand-guide so you can use it on every future task. Claude will walk you through those questions one at a time. You answer in plain English, like you're talking to a new team member, and it saves everything into your folder. The more honest and specific you are here, the better everything downstream becomes. From this point on, Claude reads that guide automatically at the start of every task. You set your voice once, and you never have to re-explain it again. That single step is how you get consistent results across everything you make, instead of fighting the AI every time to sound on brand. Let me make this real with an example I'll use the whole way through. Say you're a freelance marketing consultant based in Denver. In your brand guide, you tell Claude your voice is confident and straight-talking with zero jargon. Your ideal customers are small business owners who feel overwhelmed by marketing. The problem you solve is bringing them one clear plan instead of random scattered tactics. Your colors are deep navy and a warm orange, and you want to sound nothing like the big faceless agencies. Now Claude knows exactly who you are and who you're talking to. Let's start with the first tutorial, your landing page. This is the page you send people to when you want them to hire you, so it needs to do real work, not just look pretty. With your folder still selected, type something like this. Using my brand guide, build me a clean, modern, one-page landing page that turns visitors into booked calls. Start with a strong headline that names who I help and the exact result I get them, with a supporting subheadline underneath. Then a short section that names the frustration my customers feel about their marketing right now. After that, list my 3 core services: social media management, email marketing, and marketing strategy, each with a 1-line description in my voice. Then an about section that builds trust and explains why I do this, a row of 3 short testimonial placeholders I can fill in later, and a final call to action with a button to book a free strategy call. Use my brand colors, match my tone, and make sure the whole thing looks great on a phone. Claude builds the actual page, the headline, the sections, the buttons, all of it. And because it has both your brand guide and that design plugin working together, the words sound like you and the design looks intentional. There's a preview button right in the app, so you see your live page instantly without leaving the program. Then you just refine it out loud, the same way you'd talk to a designer. Make the headline punchier and lead with the result. Shorten the about section to 3 sentences. Change the main button to My Orange and make it say, "Book my free call." It rewrites it and shows you the updated version each time. In a few minutes, you've got a finished, professional landing page, and you never wrote a single line of code or paid a designer a cent. Now let's move on to the second tutorial, turning your existing posts into carousels. You've almost certainly got good content already sitting on Instagram or LinkedIn, so let's get far more out of it instead of starting from a blank page. Take one of your best posts, the caption and the main points, and paste it straight into Claude. Then type something like this: "Take this post and turn it into a 7-slide carousel in my brand voice. Slide 1 is a scroll-stopping hook that calls out my ideal customer and the problem they're facing. Slides 2 through 6 each deliver one clear, useful tip with a short, bold headline and 1 or 2 punchy lines underneath. No fluff. Slide 7 is a call to action, inviting them to book a free strategy call with me. Keep the language simple and confident, use my brand colors, and design the slides as clean, image-ready files I can preview and save. Claude writes every slide in your tone, keeps each one focused on a single idea so it's easy to read on a phone, and builds the slides so you can preview them right in the app and save each one ready to post. Want the same thing for the other platform? Just say, "Now give me a more professional version of this same carousel for LinkedIn. Slightly longer copy, same structure." In one sitting, you've covered 2 platforms from a single idea. And because it's all pulling from the same brand guide and the same design plugin, every slide matches your landing page perfectly. That visual consistency is exactly what makes a small business look bigger and more put together than it actually is. Now, here's why this whole setup is worth the few minutes it took. That folder you built is now a real workspace you keep coming back to, not a one-time experiment. Your brand guide sits at the top, your design plugin makes everything look sharp, and your past work is right there for Claude to reference. So the next time you need a sales email, a blog post, a client proposal, or another batch of carousels, it all comes out consistent with almost no effort from you. You're never starting from zero again. You're building a content engine that already knows your business inside and out. And you can take this much further. There's also an official marketing plugin from Anthropic you can install the exact same way, through that plus button and the plugins library. Once it's in, you can ask for things like a complete email welcome sequence for new leads, a quick SEO check on your landing page, or a full month of content ideas, and it follows proven marketing structures while still writing everything in your brand voice. So as your needs grow, your workspace grows with you. To keep it all tidy, every so often just tell Claude, "Organize this folder, put landing pages in one place, social posts in another, and emails in a third." It handles the cleanup, and your digital office stays neat no matter how much you create. The more you use this one project, the faster and more on-brand everything you produce becomes, which is the opposite of how most people use AI, one throwaway chat at a time. So that's the whole system. You download the app, sign in, open the code tab, create one folder, install the Frontend Design plugin, and set up your brand guide. After that, a professional landing page or a full batch of matching carousels is just a sentence or 2 away. Pick one of these 2 and build it today while it's fresh in your mind. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.